Alternator change on a 6-liter GM vehicle. Pretty sure it's the same for 5.3s and 4.7s or whatever else there is. It's a really easy, straightforward job. We are going to knock it out pretty quickly here. Make sure you disconnect your battery cable before you start. I've already done that. Everything else I haven't done. So the tools you're going to need for this job: ratchet, 15mm short. I have a 15mm deep here, and a power ratchet, but you don't actually need those. 8mm, take the battery off. 10mm for the alternator, and either a flathead screwdriver or an 8mm, because we're going to pull this airbox off here. So let's get after it. All right, 8mm for the van clamp. What I like to do on these is wiggle it free over here on this end, then pop it loose on this side. Put this completely free. Rotate it up just a hair. And she's off. 15mm in the tighten position for the belt tensioner. I actually replaced this idler pulley just recently. Take your belt off with the tensioner depressed. Just drop that down there. All right. So we got a plug here. Backside. It's got a little tab. Let's see if I can't get my head over here. Take this tab, pull it up. Unclick that plug. Little rubber protector there. Take that off. You got a 10mm behind that. So we'll go ahead and take that off. Then you got two 15mm right here. This deep is not going to work. Nice little pry bar right here. Slide it up. Get it in there. See if we can't get it popped out. Out she comes. hose in there. There's a diagram right here, so if it falls off, you need to figure out how to put it back on. Just follow this diagram. I actually already had this off from earlier, so I'm just gonna go ahead and plop it back on real quick. Almost forgot to plug her back in.